will now honor our distinguished guests with presentation of bouquets. Srimati S. Mangavi, Dean Irisect, will welcome Shri Vinod Kumar Yadav, General Manager, South Central Railway, with a bouquet.
Good evening to all of you. Sri Akhil Agrawalji, Director General, Signal and Telecom. My batchmate, Sri L.P. Sinhaji, Director, Irisect. Officers of Irisect, my colleague officers from South Central Railway, young officers of SIT Department, members of media, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I congratulate all 28 young officers who are being inducted as Assistant Signal and Telecom Engineer of Indian Railway. My heartfelt congratulations to you. It's a great achievement that you have completed your first phase of probation and your 1 year probation on working post starts now. I am attending first time any passing out function. As Madam was telling, I belong to 1980 batch, Indian Railway Service as Electrical Engineer, joined in February 82, and passed my probation, completed my probation in December 83. So I have already spent around 35 years in railway, and as again Madam was mentioning, I have been on deputation to many organizations, including Ministry of Industry, United Nations Industrial Development Organization. I worked in Turkey, I worked in many PSUs. My more than 50% of service has been outside railway. So based on my experience, I can tell young officers that Indian Railway is one of the best organizations. I have worked in many organizations, including international organizations. Every organization has its positive point, its negative point. There is no organization all over the world which has only positive point. So you are joining Indian Railway. Your first 5-6 years is very important. It's formative years. The day you will join as Assistant Signal and Telecom Engineer, you may be having so many expectations. Maybe when you join a working post, some of you may feel frustrated that where we have joined. No. What I am saying, it has a lot of positive things. There may be some of the negative things. If you have positive approach, consider Indian Railway as your own organization. If you consider it as your own organization, don't find fault, identify the faults. Every system has fault. You identify the faults. You are part of the Indian Railway management. It's responsibility and duty of each and every railway man to see that if there is any shortcoming in the organization, you should try and improve that. If you have that approach, based on my own experience, I am telling you, the first 5-6 years till you get junior administrative grade, J grade, first 5-6 years, if you are having a positive approach, if you are willing to learn things, because this is the time when you are going to learn the nitty-gritty of your signal and telecom department. What has been told in the probation period, that's very little. What you are going to learn right from the day you are put on the working post. Because when you are holding a post of Assistant Signal and Telecom Engineer in some division, nobody will say that you are a new officer. Everybody will expect that since you are AST in charge of your section, it's your responsibility to see that all the signal and telecom gears are working all right. The train operation is going on smoothly. So that is the phase where you have to be very positive. You have to see that not only you learn the new things, but also wherever you find any problem in the system, you look for the system improvement. I have worked in many organizations, and I can tell you based on my own experience that the training which we get on Indian Railways, that is one of the best training. I have worked with many officers from many services, including IAS, and I can tell you that wherever Indian Railway officers are working outside Indian Railway, they are doing very well. The Managing Director of Air India is one example everybody knows, Mr. Ashwini Lohani. He also worked in Indian Railway only. Now he is managing the Air India. Likewise, if you see the list of Government of India, there are many joint secretaries working there, and I have never come across any officer from Indian Railway who had been criticized for their working. So I can tell you, you have joined a great organization, you have a very bright future. And as a Ascended Department Officer, I can tell you, the type of technological advances taking place right now, it's immense. It's too much. When we joined in 1982, the level of technology at that point of time, and if I compare it with today, there is a lot of difference. Today, we are all the cities they are having metro railway. We are talking about high speed. Already high speed rail corporation has been established. The funding with JICA has been finalized. Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation India Limited has been established, which is setting up a different dedicated freight corridor for Eastern Corridor, Western Corridor. So, lot of things are happening in Indian Railway. Once you join Indian Railway, you will see Indian Railway is such an organization that we are serving each and every person of this country. Means I don't think that in India anybody will be there who will not be using the facilities of railway. So you are working for an organization which is working for a common public, general people of this country. So it's your immense responsibility. Gradually, you will come to know of all those things which are important for railway. Whenever you will join railway, everybody will talk to you about safety, punctuality, and so many things. But at the end of the day, I have been telling my officer also as a general manager that your personal health is the most important thing. As long as you are healthy, you will be able to work for the organization. So first and foremost important thing is look after your health, be happy, be relaxed. I can forewarn you that railway working provides so many opportunities for tension. You will find a lot of people having tension. I keep on telling my officers, some of the officers are sitting here. As Assistant Electrical Engineer, I used to be relaxed. As a General Manager, South Central Railway, looking after 6 divisions, I am relaxed. If you are relaxed, I am not relaxed because I am not interested in work. I am relaxed because I think that if I am relaxed as a General Manager, then my officers will be relaxed. If they are relaxed, they will be able to perform better. So that is my thinking. So as a young officer, having spent more than 35 years in railway, that is my tips to you. Don't take tension. Don't give tension to others. Be relaxed. And the most important thing, you are an engineer. The railway provides an opportunity for an engineer to become manager. But you can be manager only when you are a good engineer. Therefore, it's very necessary that in the beginning of your career, try to make yourself perfect engineer. There are so many new technologies are being introduced. You have to take interest. You have to go into details. You have to learn things. I was in Indian Railway from 82 to 94. And 94, I got an opportunity to work in Ministry of Industry as Director Industrial Policy and Promotion, looking after foreign direct investment for capital goods sector. And after that, another 5 years, I got an assignment with United Nations Industrial Development Organization based on my experience with Indian Railways only. And therefore, I was out of railway for 10 years, 3 months continuously. 94 to 2004. And in 2005, I was posted as ADRM Operation Delhi Division. And believe me, after 10 years, 3 months, when I was posted as ADRM Operation Delhi Division, after working in totally different field, it was very difficult for me. Why I am sharing this experience? What I am trying to say, that once you have commitment and you have urge to learn, you can learn anything, you can do anything. So when I was posted as ADRM Operation Delhi Division, believe me, I didn't know anything related to operation. And you will come to know that Delhi Division is one of the most important and most busiest division. The biggest division. Delhi Division is almost like a zonal railway. And I was made ADRM operation of that division after working for more than 10 years outside railway system. Only due to my own hard work and due to my urge to understand the operation, within 2-3 months, I could understand the nitty-gritty and nuances of all the operation, and then I could work at ADRM operation. So basically, what I'm trying to tell you that your initial years, because as you may be aware that after you complete 4 years of service, including probation, you will be promoted into senior scale, and then after 2-3 years, you will be promoted in J grade. But the first 2 years when you are working as ASTE, Assistant Signal and Telecom Engineer, those 2 years, they are really going to define your future. Some of you may get frustrated that, where we are trying and the rest house is not good and the office is not good and we don't have vehicles and things like that. So I'm just, based on my experience, I'm just telling you, these initial years, be focused on your work. Believe me, you have a very future bright ahead if you are able to cope up in the initial years. And as far as signal and telecom department is concerned, your seniors will tell you, once you are having expertise in railway signaling system, and maybe after 5 years or 10 years, you decide to change your career. There are so many companies looking for you. There are so many companies, international companies looking for expert railway signal and telecom engineers. There is shortage of expert railway signal and telecom engineers. And therefore, if you want to continue in railway, then also, and if you want to seek a career outside railway, then also, it's very necessary that first 5-6 years, devote yourself to learn things about signal and telecom. Initially, you have to be a very, very good signal and telecom engineer. And once you become a good signal and telecom engineer, it will be easy for you to convert yourself in a very good manager, and your future is DRM, GM, member level board, chairman level board. And as I was mentioning, if you decide to go outside railway, there are so many examples. Railway officers are doing very well in each and every field. Anyway, thank you very much. Thank you.